It is sunny, not so overcast. No rain, no storm. It is happy to be outside looking at my plants. Hi. August 5, 2024. The corn is so tall. And the squash is coming along. Will soon be flowering. Also on this part of my yard,